In this demo, we will be showing you how to configure backup policies for S3 using Clumio Protection Groups. Protection groups allow you to efficiently manage backup policies across multiple S3 buckets by grouping them based on tags, prefixes, and storage classes. Let's create a protection group to protect our documents in an S3 bucket used by human resources. Start by clicking on the Protect tab. Click on S3 Protection Groups. Here we already have 3 protection groups backing up specific file types from all of our S3 buckets. Click Create Protection Group. Click on the text box to enter the name of the protection group. Check the box next to Automatically Protect Buckets by Account, Region, and/or Tag. Here we can add a tag so that all S3 buckets with that tag are included in the protection group. Click Include Tags. We're going to specify the tag org with the value HR so that all of our HR associated S3 buckets will be picked up. We see that one HR bucket was found with that tag and that it is 1.3 terabytes in size. Click Next. We don't want to add any buckets manually, so we click Next again. Let's choose the Documents policy from this list of policies. This policy has a backup frequency of every 5 days with a 2-month retention period for a standard restore. Click Next. Click on the Storage Classes dropdown to see all of the S3 storage classes that we will be protecting with this group. We'll leave them all marked. Now we want to include all of our document prefixes in the HR S3 bucket, so only the documents are backed up and not other file types. Click the Include Prefix text box and the documents prefix will be added. Click Next. In the final window, we can review the policies for the protection group. Once you have reviewed everything, click Create. Now under the protection group screen, you can see we have a new group protecting the documents prefix in our HR bucket. Click Backup Policies under Protect. Click on the document policy. In this summary screen, our policy specifies that it is associated with 2 protection groups, one being the HR documents group we just created. Under frequency and retention, we can see our backup parameters for the groups in this policy. With Clumio Protection Groups, you can efficiently manage backup policies across all of your S3 buckets from a single interface. By using tags and automated rules, your data protection scales automatically as your AWS environment grows, ensuring a consistent backup coverage without manual intervention. Your Amazon S3 data is now protected in an air-gapped environment, giving you robust protection against ransomware and other security threats.